with that, let us welcome the chairman of the Mardi Gras competition, no other than Espirico M. Figueroa.
Good afternoon, Pangalanon. Good afternoon. This is your chairman of the Mardi Gras petition. Punong Barangay Rico M. Regalia at the same time, Sangguniang Promotion member, display member. In our Mardi Gras competition, we have 7 participating schools. We have 6 public schools and 1 private school. Our public schools, mainly Tampalo National High School, Florentino Galang National High School, Bantayan National High School, Kamingawan National High School, Kapit National High School, Tabuol National High School, and our private school will be Kabankalan Catholic College. So our Mardi Gras competition will be on January 17. Then the competition will start with the street dance competition, and the venue for our street dance competition or starting point is at the Philippine National Bank, and it will start at 6:30 in the evening. And the 7 participating schools will they will be competing sa aton nga street dance through it is a continuous dancing, no? All participating schools, we don't have any exact location for the judges. So they will dance continuously, and they start from the PNB, then they will stop here at the before Gomercindo Hospital. No? Maybe it might be in the Kabankalan Motor Parks, I think, or they will stop there. Then after that, after the 7 participating schools finish their performances sa street dance competition, then our arena competition will automatically start after the 7 participants will perform sa atong street dance.